Hello everyone, welcome to Andy Visits. In today's video, we'll be discussing 10 scariest moments in the Conjuring franchise.
My house!
The Laundry Demon. Though this scene might have dissipated in its fear factor by the time The Conjuring was released, due to often being featured in the trailers ahead of the film's premiere, it still manages to create true terror by its placement early on it. No one expects anything sinister to occur when Lorraine Warren is doing something so mundane as laundry. But that's exactly what happens when she goes to pull sheets off the line when a storm begins outside. Suddenly, one of the sheets whips off the line and forms around the shape of a figure standing in front of her before being carried off with the wind. Bathsheba on the wardrobe. The Conjuring often carried typical horror movie scares to their natural conclusion, but it also subverted them by not giving the audience the payoff in the way it's expecting. When there is a peculiar noise coming from the wardrobe and one of the children goes to investigate, viewers expected a vengeful spirit to launch from outside. The wardrobe is investigated thoroughly and the camera pans all around, drawing back as the door is closed. Viewers also expected perhaps the spirit would appear when the door was shut, but no such payout occurs. Then the camera suddenly pans up and Bathsheba is shrieking from on top of the wardrobe. When the nun appeared out of the painting. One of the most iconic horror icons to emerge in the last decade, the nun demon made her appearance in The Conjuring 2 and proved to be the most formidable dark spirits the Warrens had ever faced. It only took one extremely frightening scene to cement her legacy. Lauren is trapped in the study of her house, where her husband often paints. The painting he made of the nun, recalled from a dreams of his, hangs on the wall. With exceptional camera work, the shadow make it look like she is standing right in front of Lauren. The scene toys with that is she isn't really that until the last nail-biting moment.
My house!
The Old Man by the TV. While the nun was one of the scariest spirits in The Conjuring 2, there was another prominent ghost that generated a significant amount of jump scares. We first learn for his presence when he begins playing with the television, changing channels at random intervals and stealing the remote. When Janet begins to suspect she may not be the only person in her living room, she ventures close to the television to give it a few knocks. The screen goes black and we see an old man in the battered brown chair sitting behind her. After that, Janet experiences one of the film's most successful jump scares. The basement scene. Basements are usually creepy no matter if they feature in horror film or not. In The Conjuring 2, they are especially creepy when they are half filled with stagnant water. Did we mention possibly inhabited by demon lurking beneath the surface? When Ed Warren has to venture down into the basement after a recent attack on Janet by the demonic presence, he is completely unaware there is something waiting for him. Several long, nerve-wracking moments go by before Janet's mother has to scream at him to turn around before it's too late. Too bad its ultimate victim isn't him. The Ghost Girl and the Door. One of the most effective ways to make something terrifying is to have it launch itself directly at you. One of the best uses of this method comes in Annabelle, the first spin-off film featuring Bird's doll introduced in The Conjuring. Mia is moving around the house with all the lights on, when suddenly from behind a door across the hall, the ghost of a girl appears who turns and sprints towards her. The cemetery scene. The terror in The Nun begins almost immediately, but it's the sequence about a third of the way through the film that really amps up the scares. Father Burke has been awakened from sleep while staying at the convent and follows the sound of a child's footsteps outside into the cemetery. There, supernatural forces play tricks on him and he encounters a possessed boy with a serpent exploding from his mouth. he is pushed into a coffin and buried alive, but is able to ring a bell on a string above the grave to alert Sister Irene of his location. The final showdown with Valak. The Nun, even as the third film in the Conjuring franchise, managed to take a prominent villain in the series and render them mysterious enough to create an origin story around. While there are jump scares worthy of its predecessors throughout its brisk running time, it's the final showdown between Sister Irene and the Nun itself that is the most terrifying. Deep beneath the convent, Sister Irene has discovered the demon Valak's point of origin. She ventures to the resurrection chamber, now filled with water, and is attacked by a spirit. She watches in horror as the nun rises slowly from the depths of the water, and then, as the camera holds Irene's perspective, the nun hurtles towards the audience like a shot. Which one is your favorite among all? Do share in the comments section. Thank you so much.